Hi guys, it's a wet afternoon. You can see it's raining everywhere and I'm about to do something special. So I met this woman some weeks ago and she came to my place. She came to check my demonstration farm and she said she wanted to build something similar. So she told me that the building is done and I want to go and see the place now. She doesn't even know I'm coming. I'm just going to surprise her. So let's go and see what she has done. Alright, so let's go. Yeah, so the broiler chickens you saw in the cage the other time, I actually took them to deliver to somebody who had sent a request for the birds. So as a broiler farmer, that's what we do. And this is me moving from Ogun State to Lagos State. So right here in Ogun, we have some really bad roads, and as you can see here, there's even traffic jam. We had to wait for a while before we could move well. So finally we got into Lagos, and as we approached our house, this is very close to our house, I had to call her to help with navigating to our house. So that's it. And finally we got to our place and I got to make some recommendations. Yeah, this is our place and this is the broiler house. The carpenter did so well. He tried, and it's just the roof material that I would have loved she didn't use this material, but then she would just have to use cartons to insulate it inside. So overall it's okay, and she's actually working on the compound too. There was a part, because it rained, there was a part that got flooded and the water even entered into this place. So but there's a fix for that already. So she's so prepared. She got Vinco Kill for disinfection, she got the feeders and the likes. And right here she told me that she gets wood shavings for free. She even gave me some that I had to take back home. So our space here can take about 300, minimum of 250. Yeah, so this is the wood shavings I'll be taking back to my area. It was when I met her that I got to know that she also has been given to the organic remedies for so long. I even got to see her honey. She sells honey, so in case you are interested in buying natural pure honey, she has honey for you. Yeah, this is pure honey from sought out pure honey, undiluted. That's her number in case you want to give her a call. This particular bottle you are seeing is actually the one I bought too. I also got a black soap. Yeah, I've tested that and it's really cool. It's cool. So 100% organic. We are giving to organic ways. So we are not just giving our broilers and layers organic remedies, we are also having a taste of it. So that's it, and I'll be back here for more. Thank you. Bye bye.